Honestly, I would not expect a power station like this Cube 2000 from Segway, a well-known electric transportation company. Mostly, they have been selling all kinds of electric mobile products all these years, making themselves the representative of reliability and diversified collection. Now, the power station market is filled with many distinguishable products already, but this power station has many disruptive features that will shake the positions of some established brands by offering things like lithium iron phosphate battery, modular design, super reliable protection, and very reasonable pricing. Now let's get into the details. First and foremost, the capacity. It has the top-of-the-line 2 kilowatt lithium iron phosphate battery, 2048 watt-hour to be exact. This is the best battery type right now. Compared to lithium-ion, it is much unlikely to catch fire or smoke, and it has a 6 times more cycle life than lithium-ion, while still be able to maintain more than 85% of capacity after 4,000 cycles. This will make power stations that uses lithium-ion phosphate more durable than others that are not. So if you are seriously looking for a power station right now, lithium-ion phosphate is what you should go for. When it comes to some mid to heavy use, like outdoor camping or indoor UPS emergency backup, 2 kilowatt is a more advanced choice for most people. But of course, this is a stacked up model from the standard 1 kilowatt one, and two situations will also come into play, which are: first, you only need to be out for a few hours and need to charge some laptops and phones, or even just brew a cup of coffee, then 1 kilowatt is more than enough. Second, you must have a backup plan for off-grid capability. This power station's battery module is truly stackable and can also support 5 kilowatt max expandability. This will be the killer feature that most power stations don't have. As I have mentioned, the battery is stackable and it is enabled by the cableless expansion portal and the screws. This way of connection is much more efficient and reliable because you don't need extra cable hanging out there, less likely to cause power loss or get the power station tangled to somewhere else. All are solidly combined as one. And also, thanks to this innovative design, the accessories needed are also less. Other than the unit itself, there's just one power input cable, one Anderson cable, and a user manual included. Once the batteries are connected, it's very secure and neatly merged. You can see that I was shaking and rocking it, no sign of detaching at all. Or if you enjoy watching some really rough tests, you can visit their Indiegogo page. The dropping, dragging, frying scene are quite thrilling. And that's also the reason why we collect it in the studio. After watching these clips, you will know that you can totally depend on this powerhouse. In terms of output capability, there are 12 output sockets, 3 AC wall outlet, 9 DC including 1 for a car outlet, 2 for DC adapter, 2 USB-C, and 4 USB-A. The USB-C sockets support up to 100 watt output separately, while the USB-A support 18 watt, which is pretty enough for charging up all my mobile devices. The total max output of the AC outlet is 2,200 watts, plus a 384 watt total output of DC connection. The Cube 2000 can support up to 2,584 watt power output in total. This is pretty insane for such a compact cube. I'm pretty sure that it can power most of the home appliances. If you ever use it to power some tools like drills and saws, this station is capable of ramping up to 4,400 watt to fulfill the tasks. The unit we have here is mainly for 220 volt situations, but it does not affect the tests we can do on it, however. And since our studio often tests electronic products from all over the world with different AC input and output standards, we can really use a power supply that can provide multiple output. To name a few of the products we have tested: e-scooter, outdoor AC, and studio lantern. Some of them work with 220 volt power and the others need 120 volt input. But the good news is that the Cube 2000 has already come with different variants to support either 120 volts or 220 volts. So no matter what region you are living in, there's always one version to safely fit the local standard. The 6 USB ports also make it great for charging multiple mobile devices, and it's a great combination when we add up some appliances via the AC connection there. For example, we use them to power up the PC, the robot vacuum, to charge laptops, the phone, and even earbuds. There was no problem at all. Another great feature shared by premium backup batteries is to work as a UPS. It features the powerful 0.03 second switch time. Once there's a sudden power out, the backup power would seamlessly switch on in no time and protect your appliances at work to stay online. We tested on a PC, no sign of power outage. For the input part, the ports are located at the back with one AC fast charge and one solar input. The AC input support all the wall outlet. We tested the unit for its recharging with our local grid of 220 volt AC. It took us around 1.63 hours to collect back 100% power. It's really an amazing performance. If you are from the state with 120 volt AC, the charging might be a bit different, but I believe it will be as safe and reliable as what we tested here. During the whole test, we pull on the fast charging to easily get the max available power at 1650 watts. The fan ran at the fastest, and during the whole test, the whole unit remained very cool. But of course, we haven't got the solar panels, so we could not show you how the solar charging looks like. But by looking at the foldable design, I'm sure the experience should be good if you get a good weather and angle to place them. I also want to take some time to talk about the whole design and protection of the unit. I think this power station has combined the designs from both the really portable ones and also those massive power stations. This has been the first in the industry. One battery pack weighs 22 pounds, any adult can pick it up easily, and since it's very reasonable size, it can blend into any household. Until the whole family wants to go out to enjoy light camping, it can fit into the truck or the car pretty well. And of course, if you can afford it, 2 kilowatt to 5 kilowatt options will also help you with overnight camping. So to protect the station from any harm, the side panels are made of magnesium alloy, very light and resistant to any crush or shock. The screw holes are also made as a part of the panels. Once every piece is connected, everything is neat and secured. With a multi-layered waterproof design, Cube 2000 is also IP56 waterproof. It can handle any splash, wet and light rainy environments. Now again, I'd encourage you to watch the video of them testing the unit in very harsh environments, so you might have faith in the capability. Since we will use it for a long period, we will let it go without harshly testing by ourselves. There is also an app to help you manage the station better. It can show you the basic status and control some of the output. This app is still simple but kind of informative, and there's some very useful features that work with different scenarios, such as the fan mode options for quiet running or long-lasting cooling effects, but I still think that some more features should be coming soon. So this is the Segway Cube 2000 power station. It's a powerful, compact modular powerhouse that can be used multi-purpose. After watching our review about it, I'm sure you should be impressed by its excellent reliability and power output. This can be your only power station to be used at home or outdoors. Most importantly, it's $1,049, much cheaper than others, and you have 5 years warranty on these. This power station is worth every bang for the buck. To get this new power station, you can go to the Indiegogo page linked down below. Thanks for watching. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.